CNN's top reporter, Jessica Fernandez, coming to you with breaking news. Tonight on CNN, we have an interesting study from general psychology students over at Pacific Union College in the Napa Valley, California. We have come up with a study that measures the effect that peers have on deciding what to eat for dinner in their cafeteria. This study explores crowd behavior among peers. Crowd behavior is a widely known act that is induced by the crowd versus individuals acting alone. Let's see what they have found.
Hey, thanks Jessica for the introduction. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm Taylor.
And we have Charity and Audra coming to you live from the field. Our study began with one fascinating question.
And that question is, are PUC students more likely to choose taqueria over lasagna when they are able to observe the dinner choice of their peers versus when they are unaware of their peers' decisions?
We believe that PUC students are in fact affected by the crowd mentality whether they are consciously aware of it or not.
Our hypothesis is based on the theory that crowd behavior reduces the responsibility of an individual and puts it on the crowd.
The independent variable of an experiment is the variable that's not affected by any of the other variables.
In this study, our independent variables are taqueria and lasagna, which happen to be a typical Sunday dinner option in the cafeteria.
The dependent variable is part of the experiment that is influenced by other variables.
Our dependent variable is the choice that PUC students make when they decide what to eat for dinner.
A control group for an experiment measures only one group at a time and serves as a comparison group to the experimental group.
Our control group is the people that were given slips of paper instead of being able to see their peers' decisions.
The experimental group is the group of subjects who are exposed to the variable under a study.
Our experimental group are the people who see their peers' decisions when making a decision for dinner.
Random selection is how you draw the sample from the population.
We asked everyone who walked into the caf, but only the results from every third person were used in our sample.
Double-blind procedure protects an experiment against bias by not informing the experimenter and the experimentee of what is being studied.
The placebo effect is used in clinical studies and is defined as a substance or procedure that is objectively without specific activity for the conditions between treatments.
For our experiment, we didn't find that a double-blind procedure and a placebo effect were necessary because our experiment is only an observational study.
Well, you've heard it first here today on CNN about crowd behavior and the process of this human behavior from a single individual to those leading to a large group. The experiment shows results that individuals align themselves in crowd mentality. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.